Now, as per usual, you guys know I like to give out a disclaimer for all of these kind of videos. My feet do not always look like this, but for the purpose of this video, I have left them really dry, as you guys can see. And the first thing you want to do is add your water. This is the foot spa that I always use, but you can use a bucket, a bathtub, basically anything that can keep water. Then you want to add this special ingredient, which is your Epsom salt. The Epsom salt helps remove the dead skin cells as well as dry out your callus. Epsom salt is also good for pain relief, exfoliation, as well as treating fungal infections. Now, the next thing you want to do is add your tea tree oil. This step is honestly optional. I adore the way it smells, and also it has antifungal properties, which is very good for keeping your feet nice and clean as well as smelling good. Now, I'm just mixing it all together. I added a bit of soap, but it didn't really help much. So you just want to keep your feet in here for at least 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how dry your skin is. If you have a foot spa like mine, then you can just add some more vibrations. It does help just soothe the feet and just make you feel a bit more relaxed, you know, and just kind of get the illusion that you are at a spa even though you're at a home, because this year is all about saving the shmoney and doing all these things that we can easily do at home. And this video is just to help you guys achieve that. So keep on watching to find out the results. But at this point, my feet were really nice and warm, and I kept on adding more water just to keep them even warmer. After about 12 minutes, this is what my feet look like. They were very dry and definitely in need for a buff. I'm using this simple white buff, and normally I would be using my 4-part foot scrub, but this time I just thought, let me do something different and just use this one. And as you guys can see, there's so much dead skin coming off. It's actually gross, but it's also satisfying because, you know, out with the old, in with the new. Now, I don't know about you guys, but there's just something about removing dead skin off my feet that just is so satisfying. For me, it's all about confidence. When you're wearing heels, you want to be confident, even if you're just wearing a sandal. I know it's almost winter here in South Africa, but for me, just having your feet look good and just smell good is very satisfying. Look at that dead skin, guys. I always show you guys the dead skin that comes off because I have to give you guys the most realistic method so you guys can try this yourself and actually see if it works. But as you guys can see, a lot of dead skin definitely came off from this Epsom salt, and I'm really impressed. I must say, I didn't expect so much of it to come off, but it did. I had to dust it off first before rinsing my feet off. Now, as much as the Epsom salt has already done 80% of the work, a body scrub is very important just to make sure that every single dead skin is off of your skin. Maybe not every single, I would need to have the scientific proof for that, but it definitely helps making your skin softer, especially if the scrub has an oil essence to it. I have a DIY scrub. If you guys are interested, I will link it down below, and I'll also put it in the description box. But honestly, you guys, any scrub will work just fine, and you just want to rinse it off before applying your foot moisturizer. Now, to apply your foot moisturizer, that's honestly up to you. You can use coconut oil, which I absolutely love, but because I don't have any at the moment, I'm just going to use my normal foot moisturizer. And look at those final results. I am dying. My feet look so good versus the time that we started this video. I feel like they baby soft. It's just so nice. I want to kind of show it off, but it just sucks because I have to be indoors. But I hope you guys can try this method and tell me if it worked for you. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more content. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye now.